Hello everyone, Luke Coleman here,
And Jill,
and between us we make up
Belding Hill Farms.
Belding Hill Farms. We actually are a homestead. We live on my great-grandparents' homestead, but it didn't roll off the tongue the same, so we called it Belding Hill Farms.
We live in New Brunswick, Canada, and we have 3 children, a son who's 20, a daughter who's 18, and another daughter that's 17, and they think we're a little crazy for doing this.
Yeah, but they do like eating our home-done bacon when we make it.
And smoked pork chops.
And smoked pork chops. So what we do here basically is we're trying to produce as much of our own food and consumables as we can.
We have 5 Hereford beef cows. We have a few milking shorthorns that belong to our daughters from 4-H.
Dairy cows.
Dairy cows, yes. And we hope to breed them soon, so we'll have our own milk supply.
To make cheese and butter and yogurt and...
Yeah, and we also have pigs, Berkshire and a Tamsworth. We have sheep, they're Katahdins, they're hair sheep, so no shearing needed. They're great for meat.
And we have several types of chickens and turkeys and ducks, which is, I guess, kind of where we originally started this craziness from. And we still do a lot of hatching eggs. Every year we incubate 400 to 500 baby day-old chicks for egg layers, all heritage breed.
Yep. And we also have a workhorse named Chevy. He's a Clydesdale Belgian cross, but he looks more like Clyde's. And if you can see in the background, not sure if you can, that's his logging arch.
Yes.
To use that in the summer.
Yep. He would tell you he's the centerpiece of our whole operation. But mainly we're just trying to produce some of our own food, so we get into a little bit of everything. And feel free to stick around and check out some of our videos. Have a good day.